Hi, I'm Lucas Cuni-Mertz, Associate Editor, Baking and Snack Magazine, and this is a baking and snack tech expert. The use of fruit inclusions is on the rise in baking, and in our February issue, Kellie Denson, Senior Product Development Manager for Ocean Spray Ingredients, dove into all the ways that cranberries are boosting the consumer appeal and quality of baked goods. Today, she'll share more on this versatile fruit and how bakers can formulate with it effectively. Thanks for joining me today, Kellie.
Thanks for having me and appreciate the invitation to be here.
So to kick us off, how are cranberries being used to enhance the profile of baked goods? And what products are best suited for these cranberry ingredients?
Yeah, great question. Cranberries elevate bakery products on sensory, nutritional, and functional levels, making them a versatile choice for both indulgent and better for you applications. Their natural, sweet, tart flavor cuts through the richness and adds a bright, clean color contrast that enhances the overall eating experience. This signature profile brings balance to baked goods and helps create a memorable flavor. Consumer preference data reinforces this appeal. According to a 2023 Toluna sweetened dry cranberry versus raisins assessment, 60% of U.S. consumers prefer sweetened dry cranberries over raisins as a baking ingredient. And this is driven by the dynamic sweet tart taste profile that cranberries provide. Beyond sweetened dry cranberries, multiple cranberry formats offer ways to enhance bakery products. Cranberry seeds add natural red color and delightful crunch, with the color and texture that remain stable through the baking process. Cranberry puree and cranberry concentrate, both with no added sugar, can support clean label formulations and are used to create flavorful fillings and frostings. While cranberries can be incorporated across a wide array of applications, cookies, pastries, muffins, quick breads, and artisanal loaves currently lead cranberry-based snacking innovation supported by recent activity that's been tracked in Innova market research.
And so, how are cranberries and other fruit ingredients fulfilling some of the latest consumer trends that you're seeing in bakery?
Yeah, so cranberries and other fruit ingredients are powerful tools for bakers looking to meet today's evolving consumer expectations. They align with top bakery sensory excitement and permissible indulgence, and also cater to trends that are centered on wellness and simple ingredients. As consumers increasingly seek baked goods made with better-for-you ingredients, cranberries offer familiar fruit flavor with a strong health halo and broad consumer appeal. They help bakers deliver products that feel both satisfying and more nutritious, appealing to shoppers who prioritize functional eating. Sweetened dry cranberries can help bakers meet that demand for better-for-you baked goods, giving consumers a delicious way to incorporate their daily fruit intake, while cranberry seeds are also nutritional powerhouses containing more dietary fiber than chia or flax seeds. Cranberries also contribute key sensory attributes that can help deliver optimal baked good experiences. The vibrant natural color of cranberry adds a nice visual contrast, while the chewy texture can help enhance that bite experience. Cranberries also have a bright, bold flavor that lifts and differentiates a recipe. So whether it's for a seasonal limited time offer, for everyday favorites, cranberries can help bakers create products that feel fresh, modern, and are aligned with consumer expectations.
And so, turning to your guys' portfolio, how do Ocean Spray's berry fusion dried fruits address some of the common challenges of baking with fruit inclusions?
Yeah, so Ocean Spray's berry fusions dried fruits are designed to solve common baking challenges while enhancing flavor, functionality, and cost efficiency. Our berry fusions dried fruits offer dependable performance due to the low moisture content, which reduces the risk of color bleeding into doughs and batters. They're also very process tolerant, maintain shape and texture through demanding processes such as mixing, baking, and extrusion. They also allow for easy handling and portioning for formulation consistency. Berry fusions dried fruits are available in a variety of flavors such as blueberry, cherry, raspberry, strawberry, and orange, and bring that taste of premium fruits to bakery applications without the variability of cost challenges associated with fresh or frozen fruit. The consistent moisture, texture, and flavor make them ideal for large-scale manufacturing where reliability is essential. And because the cranberry base naturally lends itself to flavor absorption, the berry fusions process delivers strong, authentic fruit taste while helping bakers maintain efficiency, help manage ingredient costs, and meet consumer demand for delicious baked goods that are visually appealing, flavorful, and high quality.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Kellie, for joining me today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.